Rotations. A rotation, or turn, moves a figure around a point. This point is called the point of rotation. The point of rotation can be outside, on an edge or corner, or in the middle of the figure. Shown here is a figure rotating 90 degrees clockwise around the point P. Here's P, here's your clockwise rotation, and the arrow was pointing that way, now it's pointing this way. That is a rotation. The rotation of a figure is described by the direction of rotation, which can be clockwise or counterclockwise, the angle of rotation, the point around which the rotation occurs. Though rotations are counterclockwise, unless told otherwise, it is generally best to indicate the direction. The direction can be abbreviated as CW for clockwise, there's C, there's W, and counterclockwise, which would be CCW, counterclockwise. Any rotation can be described as either clockwise or counterclockwise. Since a full rotation is 360 degrees, the sum of the two measures of rotation adds to 360 degrees. That is illustrated here for one rotation, but it holds true for all rotations. In this case, 270 degrees counterclockwise and 90 degrees clockwise equals 360 degrees. Both directions are equally valid, so direction should be indicated. So this arrow here was rotated here. And then you just sum. If you go this way, it would be 270. If you go that way, it would be 90, but those two have to add up to 360 degrees. This image shows a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation around the origin of the pre-image, triangle ABC, to its image, triangle A'B''C'. Each point in the pre-image is rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, which is 0, 0 right over here, and we've got the rotation going like this. Describe each of the two rotations shown below. Answers on next slides. This figure is rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise about point A. You can see here is a right angle. This figure is rotated 180 degrees clockwise about point B. There you go, that's 180 degrees. While provided here, direction isn't required for a 180-degree rotation since the identical result occurs regardless of direction. Whether you go this way 180 or this way, it's the same result. Here we have a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation about point A, and here's your angle, 90 degrees, that's a right angle right there. Rotation creates an image that is congruent with the pre-image. All angles, lengths, and shapes are maintained. A rotation does not alter the angles, lengths, or other geometric properties of a figure. The pre-image and image are congruent after a rotation. This also means that parallel sides remain parallel after a rotation.